In primetime news this evening, heavy rains and flooding in sections of the country. When will it end?
St. Thomas farmers cut off from their fields.
And later, NHF increases subsidy for 5 illnesses. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andre, there'll be mixed movements at the pumps effective tomorrow. I'll have the details a little later on. And some more from the Business and Consumer Confidence Survey conducted by the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce.
Thank you, Keys. And what movements are coming up in sports, Jermaine?
Well, Archie, I tell you, the reggae girls, they've been in the news quite a lot lately, and they're back in it this evening. But on the field of play, they're facing Panama in the Gold Cup qualifiers, and they're not doing too badly. We'll give you an update on that and more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. And it's a wet evening here in Jamaica. Ramin Robinson is here to tell us a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thank you, Andrea. We're concentrating on the rainfall that we have been observing across most of the east and southern parishes over the past 72 hours. We also have some incidents of flooding. I'll tell you what's going on in the weather report and forecast.
Thank you, Romain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, in what ways were you affected by the rain today?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can tweet us as well at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.